Good medical morning. This is Watson, and stick around because we have a bunch of cyst removal clips to help guide us through this educational video. So, what are epidermoid cysts? Epidermoid cysts, also called sebaceous, keratin, or epithelial cysts, are small, hard lumps that develop under the skin. These cysts are common and they grow slowly. They don't cause other symptoms and are nearly never cancerous. Epidermoid cysts are often found on the face, head, neck, back, or genitals. They can range in size from 1/4 inch to 2 inches across. They look like a small bump, are tan to yellow in color, and are filled with thick, smelly matter. They don't cause pain and can usually be ignored. But don't take my word for it, all of that information comes to us from healthline.com. Next, what causes epidermoid cysts? These cysts are usually caused by a buildup of keratin. Keratin is a protein that occurs naturally in skin cells. And cysts develop when the protein is trapped below the skin because of a disruption to the skin or to a hair follicle. These cysts often develop in response to skin trauma, HPV infection, acne, or excessive exposure to the sun. An epidermoid cyst is more likely to develop in people with acne or other skin conditions. How are epidermoid cysts treated? Most cysts either stop growing or go away on their own without treatment. Physicians will usually make a note of a cyst and monitor it during each checkup to make sure that it has not changed. Since epidermoid cysts are very rarely cancerous, they don't pose a risk, and most are never treated at all. Treatment may be required if the cyst becomes red, swollen, painful, if it changes in size or character, or if it's infected. In such cases, treatment options include antibiotics and drainage. Sometimes the cyst may need to be surgically removed. It can also be removed for cosmetic reasons. In most cases, epidermoid cysts cause no long-term problems. Squeezing out the contents of the cyst on your own can lead to infection, so it's best just to leave it alone. And once a cyst is drained, there is a possibility that it will grow back. Very rarely, epidermoid cysts can become cancerous. Any significant change in a cyst is reason to see your doctor.
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. Check it out.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.